Welcome to the class, students. Today again we are continuing the same concept in interpolation and extrapolation, that is binomial expansion method. We are solving some more problems on this concept because for your exam point of view this concept is very important. You definitely will get this problem for 5 marks. So we are recalling again. So take down the problem, students. Interpolate the missing value. Interpolate the missing value. Year 2008, 2009, 2010, 11, 2012. Next value 4, 6, 8, 12. So first we will denote these values as y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. So till y4 we are having, so for n is equal to 4 we have to equate. So y minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to 0. Now for n is equal to 4 we have to write the constants, that is coefficient. Let me write the Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1 1 5 10 10 5 1 1 6 15 20 15 21. So this is how the Pascal triangle will looks. For this concept, Pascal triangle is very important for different n values. Once before you are solving the problem, once if you write this Pascal triangle, so it will be easy to take the values, that is coefficient. For n is 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5 and n is equal to 6. Okay, so this Pascal triangle is very important. For this problem, for n is equal to 4, the constants are 1 4 6 4 1. I will take that one 1 4 6 4 1 and take down the y values y4, y3, y2, y1, y0. Next sign, the sign should be alternative sign. At last you should equate this to 0. Then for this equation, substitute the y values. That is 12 minus 4 into 8 plus 6y2 minus 4 into 6 plus 4 is equal to 0. Now the next step is we will go for the simplification. It is 12 minus 832 plus 6y2 minus 24 plus 4 is equal to 0. 6y2 minus 40 is equal to 0. 6y2 is equal to 40. y2 is equal to 40 by 6. y2 is equal to 6.66. So this is our missing frequency for the given data. This is the missing value for the given data, that is y2 is equal to 6.66. Next one. From the data, interpolate the sales for March. So here it is month and sales. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. And sales 44, 90, 160, 210, 290. 290, yes. First we will denote these values, okay, with y. So this will be y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. After taking y5, here n values till 5. So we have to expand for y minus 1 to the power 5 is equal to 0. For n is equal to 5, the coefficients are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So first write down this coefficient 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Next take down the y values y5, y4, y3, y2, y1, y0. Next write down the alternative signs plus minus, plus minus, plus minus and equate this to 0. Okay. Next substitute the y values. y5 is 290 minus 5 y4 is 210 plus 10 y3 is 160 minus 10 y2 plus 5 y1 5 into 90 minus 44 is equal to 0. Next step you have to do the simplification. 290 minus 1050 plus 1600 minus 10 y2 plus 450 minus 44 is equal to 0. So minus 10 y2 plus 1246 is equal to 0. y2 10y is equal to 1246. y2 is equal to 1246 divided by 10. So y2 is equal to 124.6. So sales for March, that is y2 is 124.6. So this is how we have found out the missing value for the sales for the March month. Next problem. Next one. From the following data, interpolate the missing value. Interpolate the missing value. First it is here and value 2010, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Values 14, 16, 18, 22. First denote these values as y. So it is y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. Till y4 we have. So expand for y minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to 0. For n is equal to 4, in Pascal triangle the coefficients are 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. It is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. It is y4, y3, y2, y1, y0. Next write down the alternative signs plus minus plus. Lastly equated this to 0. Next substitute the y values. It is 22 minus 4 into 18 plus 6y2 minus 4 into 16 plus 14 is equal to 0. Next take down the simplification. It is 72 plus 6y2 minus 64 plus 14 is equal to 0. 6y2 minus 100 is equal to 0. 6y2 is equal to 100. y2 is equal to 100 divided by 6. So y2 is equal to 16.66. So value for this missing frequency, it is 16.66. Value for this problem, the missing value is y2, that is 16.66. Next one. Using the binomial expansion method, find the probable production production for the year 2004. So here it is year value 2000, 2002, 2004, 2006, 103, 107, 157. First let me denote this with y. It is y0, y1, y2 and y3. So till 3, that is n is equal to 3. So we have to expand for y minus 1 to the power 3 is equal to 0. For n equals 3, 1, 3, 3, 1 are the coefficients. So 1, 3, 3, 1. Next take down the y values, y3, y2, y1, y0. Sign, alternative signs we have to take. At last we should equate this to 0. Next substitute the y values. 157 minus 3 y2 plus 3 into 107 minus 103 is equal to 0. 157 minus 3 y2 plus 321 minus 103 is equal to 0. Minus 3 y2 plus 375 is equal to 0. y2 is equal to 375 divided by 3. So y2 is equal to 125. So the probable production for the year 2004 is 125. The probable production for 2004 is 125. This is how we have found out the missing value for this. Next problem. Interpolate the missing value. Interpolate the missing value in the following data. So these are the years and values whatever they have given. So year and the values. For values I will denote y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. Okay. Next, here we have till n is equal to 5, y5 is the last value. We have to expand for y minus 1 to the power 5 is equal to 0. For n is equal to 5, the coefficients are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. First write down the coefficients 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Next, take the y values. Start from y5, y4, y3, y2, y1 and y0. Next, write down the signs plus minus, plus minus, plus minus and equate this to 0. Next, substitute the y values. It is 295 minus 5 into y4 plus 10, 270 minus 10 into 250 plus 5 into 225 minus 200 is equal to 0. Next step is simplification. It is 295 minus 5y4 plus 2700 minus 2500 plus 1125 minus 200 is equal to 0. Minus 5y4 plus 1420 is equal to 0. 5y4 is equal to 1420. y4 is equal to 1420 divided by 5. So y4 is equal to 284. 284. So this is how we have found out the missing values using binomial expansion method. For your exam point of view, this problem is very important. You will get one 5 marks problem on this concept, and from this chapter you will get 2 marks, 1 mark, 1 question, probably this time you may get 2 questions, and 2 marks 2 questions you may get, and that will be for the definitions and assumptions, or sometimes they may ask for the methods also. And one definite problem from this chapter is, by using binomial expansion method, you have to find the missing value for the given data. So this is very, very important concept, and you can score out of 4 from this chapter. Thank you.